Okay, here's Ryobi 18 volt combination tool set. Listing on eBay. I'm going to lock it in and demonstrate the usage of fully charged battery. Grab a 2-inch screw through the solid piece of oak. Okay, well, it'll actually go deeper than you need it to. Plenty of power, good there. Reverse forward works. Torque check works. So, suppose you only need so much power. Has the release. Right. So, circular saw. Rip right to that 2x4 like the bad dad. Okay, it's a good set. Comes with a flashlight. Don't know how effective the video is going to pick this up on. Yeah, okay. Pretty good actually. It's blinding from here. Good luck, Ben.